Hello guys, I'm Khalid from Egypt and this is CS50 final project by Harvard University. I'm really excited for this project, but before anything I want to thank David Mellon and all amazing CS50 staff for all this big effort. Now let's start. So it is really a simple one. It's talking about enemy and enemy series. It's called Enemy World. So my inspiration came from enemy series because I'm really a big fan. I have a limited account. David. Welcome David. So this is the home page. I can choose my favorite enemy. Let's say Demon Slayer. Okay. I can see who also likes Demon Slayer. No matches it because no one has chosen Demon Slayer. But if I log out and log in as Brian, and I choose Demon Slayer, so matches. David also likes Demon Slayer. These all the current enemies and the ranks could use Jujutsu Demon Slayer, Attack on Titans, Dragon Ball. So what's really cool about that, if each enemy has its own comments. So you can yourself add a comment. So could use, I can say, interesting enemy. So Brian, interesting enemy. David, it's a really good enemy. I can also comment on Dragon Ball, long enemy with childhood. Long enemy with childhood memories. So and now we don't have Death Note. Death Note is a big enemy. Really popular one, so I can change my favorite enemy also. This is my profile. My favorite enemy is Demon Slayer. I have one friend David, user data, so I can change my favorite enemy. Let's just do that. Sorry, this note. So indeed, this note has changed to enemies. Now this note is here. I can comment. Number one enemy of all time. So log out and log in as Emma, another username. Welcome Emma. In adding friends, I can't add myself. You can't add yourself as friend. I can add Brian. I can add Brian as friend. I can add David. I can see them here. My favorite enemy is Jujutsu. Now Jujutsu is 2 votes. So if I change my favorite enemy, it will become 1. So if I like Naruto, I go to enemies. Now Jujutsu is 1 and Naruto is added. We'll make enemy, for example. This is Brian comment. This is also my friends now. Also you can go to settings, change your password, or delete your account. So that's it. I hope you guys liked my project, and this was CS50.